We've been playing with the back leg, the importance of the back leg as your anchor, the extension of the back leg to really grow your roots so you can lengthen through the spine. We've been playing with that with extended body, hands on blocks, back leg, hips neutral. Today we're going to go into Ardha Chandrasana. So going from Warrior 3 to Ardha Chandrasana, what can go wrong, what you want to pay attention to, what you want to think about. We've been starting leveraging blocks and the wall to find the extension through the spine and through the back leg. So a lot of times in Warrior 3 I'll see this. And then if you ask to take the arms up overhead, this is the pose. A lot of times the knees jam back. So looking down, gaze is down, back is working to hold up, and the leg isn't doing its own work, which means your lower back has to carry more. So by leveraging the wall, toes pointing down, hip neutral, you come into the center of the standing leg hip. By reaching back through the heel, you find that opposite action of reaching through the spine, through the crown of the head. And then, by being in the middle of your standing leg hip and finding the reach back, you don't need your hands on the ground. You can even take the arms up overhead and still be in the back bend. Today we're going to talk about external rotation and turning the hip up. So I'm turning the pelvis over the standing leg. Common misalignments is willy-nilly throwing this leg over, which crunches the spine of the standing leg, that side, you lose that waist, and you're just throwing this hip so far off center. This is where the standing knee starts to get in a precarious position. And what you'll see people in Ardha Chandrasana, especially when they start opening up, is the foot turns in because your body is always trying to balance itself. So it's trying to right what the top leg has done. No. So find that direction forward. Find the external rotation and the tip up of the pelvis without throwing it over and loading the standing leg hip. Reach back. We're going to leverage it on a wall. Don't need this hand. I'm going to ground down, ground back to find the extension. Then I can turn. Chest turns 90. Because my hand's on the floor and I'm so grounded through both legs, I can also turn my vision up. Expand the chest. Oh, it feels so good. And then the check is, you don't need this hand either. Then you can leverage it, adding an extra fold. So you get the tensile of the hand, tensile strength of the hand to the foot. This pose, Ardha Chandrasana, you use the back leg to open up the chest even more. So nice, such a fun pose. Play with it. Let me know how it goes. Happy Yoga Therapy Thursday.